Hello friends, this is Vijay and I'm back again with a new video, and in this video of mine I'm doing something new. So whether you liked it or not, do comment in the comment section below and let me know. So in this video I will tell you top 5 Android games which you love to play again and again. So watch out this whole video properly and do share this video to your friends also so that they can also enjoy these games. And subscribe by pressing the red button below this video in order to get more interesting videos like this. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's start this video. So here are the 5 games which I'm going to play, and let me tell you guys, these games are absolutely free and these game does not require any kind of internet connection. Also these games are under 100 MB. So first game is Shadow Fight 2, and this game is so addictive that you will not mind to play it again and again. And in this game you have to play the tournament and you have to defeat the bodyguard of each leaders. And then you have to defeat the leader of the particular stage. And you have to defeat the immortal king, which is Titan, to win this game. The next game is Ninja Arashi. This game is also addictive, and in this game the ninja, that means us, we have given some power and we have to use them properly and we have to clear all the stages. The powers and the jumps are cool, that makes this game more addictive. The next game is Zombie Squad. If you love killing zombies plus you love racing games, then this game is for you. In this game you have to drive your car throughout the city which is affected by zombies, and you have to tackle and kill every zombie which comes across your way. Also you can upgrade your car by the money you have earned by killing the zombies. The next game is also from racing department, and this game is Highway Getaway. So basically what happens, you have to drive your car safely without getting boosted throughout the highway which is full of traffic. You can also fill fuel in the running car and you have to dodge the police in a manner that you will not get boosted. So it's a good game under 60 to 70 MB to play. So the next game is for bike lover, and this game is Bike Race. In this game you have to handle your bike and you have to ride it safely to the checkpoint. So the difficulty will keep on increasing after every stage, and you get a plenty of stages in this game. And let me tell you guys, this game is also under 60 to 70 MB, and I must tell you this game is addictive. So guys, this was all about this video, and I hope so you liked this video, and if so, hit that like button. If you have any queries or you want to give me any suggestion, just comment down in the comment section below. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. And do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And you can also message me on Facebook and Instagram. So guys, this is VJ signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.